Okay, part 2 of making our underwater 1-point perspective aquarium is what we're going to do is we're now going to be adding the black Sharpie. So all you need is your pencil drawing from before and a permanent black Sharpie. It is important that we use permanent marker because later on in this process we are going to be using paint and we don't want to mess that up. Step 1 is going to simply be go over every single pencil line that you have made so far. Be careful to keep your lines nice and straight. So do take care, and if you do need to use your ruler again, go ahead and use your ruler. All right, now that I have added all of my lines, I am going to take an eraser and anything that I made a couple mistakes on, I can just simply erase any of those pencil lines. I think that's all I did for there. The next step is to add the black spaces to the checkerboard squares. Now this is actually pretty easy. All I have to do is fill in every other one, but what I cannot do is start here and then jump to over here. I need to pay attention to which one I need to mark. So what I like to do is start in the back, and I have to work just as if I was reading a book. Start at the top, work from left to right, and it's just fill one in, skip, fill the next one in, skip. Now I'm on my next floor. If I see the one above it is filled in, then this one's going to be white. So I skip, fill it in, skip, fill it in, I'm on my next level down. If this one's white, this one's going to be black, so I'm going to color that one in. Skip, fill it in, skip. Now I'm on my bottom run, and this one matters just as much. You want to fill in just that tiny little edge, tiny little edge. And now I am done with the black Sharpie marker, and I am ready to start designing what animals are going to go inside my aquarium.